Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mushroom 65, or you can also call it as mushroom pakoda. So this is very easy to make and it will serve you as a perfect tea time snack. So come on, let's get started. To a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of gram flour, 1/4 cup of maida, which is also known as all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1½ teaspoons of chicken 65 masala, and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Make sure the ginger garlic paste is very fresh. Mix all these ingredients very well. Add salt as required. And I'm going to add water little at a time, and I'm going to bring it to a batter consistency. The batter should not be too thick or it should not be too runny. It should have the exact consistency of a bhaji flour. So this is the exact consistency that I'm looking for. I have sliced each mushroom into 4 pieces. You can also cut it into halves, or you can also make it even smaller. So here in a pan I have added oil, and when it comes to boil, the oil should not be too hot or it should not be too low. It should be in a medium consistency. Now I'm going to dip all the mushrooms in the batter that we have prepared, and I'm going to fry this for around 5 minutes. That is 2 minutes on each side. So this will not take much longer to cook. Make sure you cook it on medium flame for 5 minutes. So now the mushrooms are ready. We can transfer it to a plate. Look at this. You need not even keep this on a tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. This will not at all be oily. If the batter is in the exact consistency, it will not absorb oil too much. It's time to taste. Let me take one more bite. A perfect tea time snack. I'm not sure if you can hear the crunchy sound. It's very crunchy outside and very soft inside. And I'm a mushroom lover. If you are a mushroom lover too, definitely give it a try. And also let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.